I hate to say this, but the RC car you see right here is no longer functional. This is the last video you'll ever see of the plant. With that said, let's roll on to RC Sumo, the plant versus the pillow.
3, 2, 1, go!
And the pillow is stuck. 1 point for the plant. And the first car to reach 3 points wins the video. Immediately, the plant is flipped. And the pillow, it's stuck. Can't reverse this two-wheel drive. That means it's a draw. No points given here. Let's move on. The scoreboard is 2-0. The pillow needs to pick things up. Unintended pun, but it literally picked up the plant. 2-1.
I've had enough! Enough! You get out!
See if I can get off. After what felt like a long and lengthy battle, the plant takes a W. Thank you for watching, and as time continues, there will be no doubt that we'll see more of the pillow.